next job is to remove the tank. Now the exhaust is on, we can give it a service. So we'll do the spark plug first, then can fire it up, heat up the oil, dump it, put the oil filter in. We can put the air filter in whilst we're here as well. Check this out. Honda designers, in their infinite wisdom, put the sump plug directly under the exhaust. Oh, sorry, directly above the exhaust. What a stupid idea. So now I've got to take the exhaust off to drain the oil, which means I can't heat the bike up, which is ridiculous. Because I didn't tie down the bike, I managed to do this, so we're just going to remove this sticker. Just heated it up a bit with this heat gun. Hopefully it comes off all right. No.
I'm hypnotized by you.
this clutch lever, or whatever it's called, looks pretty oxidized, so we'll try the old Sharpie technique. I dropped this petrol tank trying to take it off and put that nice little dent in, which I need to fix, but that's a lovely expense of $500, which all things considered probably wasn't that bad for a petrol tank. So there we have the fuel hose, which snapped trying to get off the quick connect. My experience with bleeding brakes has been on the BMWs, where you've got to cycle them, but I've been doing a bit of research and everyone's saying you can just bleed these brakes just like normal, or just like non-ABS brakes. So I'm going to give it a go, because you can see this is coming all the way into the bar. Not very good. I use this one-way bleeder valve. for the price reveal. So first things in this build, I had to go and pick up a second-hand bike. There were too many rusty parts on here. I certainly couldn't buy the parts new, and I didn't want to be searching through eBay trying to find them. So I managed to pick up a later model CBR for $500, which I thought was pretty good going. I found it, a couple of weeks into the build, so I was pretty happy with that. The next thing that I ordered from the shop was all the maintenance items. So from my local Honda dealer, I got a OEM oil filter, OEM gear shaft output seal, OEM air filter, a front sprocket, a rear sprocket, and a spark plug. That came in at $163. Next, I bought a chain, a decent RK chain. That was $50. Next was oil. Unfortunately, I had to buy 4 litres and not 2. That's all it came in. That cost me $57. Degreaser, Armor All paint, that cost me roughly $30. And then next I had some brake fluid, that was $12. When removing the petrol tank, unfortunately, I broke off the connector that goes into the throttle body, so that cost me another $9. So all up, grand total, it came in at $821, which was pretty good. I said at the start, I pretty much got $1,000 to play with. The bike was bought for 3. Most of the other ones are listed for around 4,000, so came in on budget and looks pretty good and could be sold. So I was pretty happy with how it came up. Wasn't happy with how the bike had been maintained though, so there's a good lesson there. Don't leave your bike outside. Look after it. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button or hit the like button, and I'll keep on making content. Thank you.